Hello my dear friends! In today's video I would like to show you how to make a base for a soldering iron. And for us to make one we will need round pliers or nippers, one wire coat hanger as it should be firm enough and it has a bit of a spring to it. We also need one washer, one nut and a screw, marker, one flat tin can from pickles or spreads, and a soldering iron to test out our handmade stand. First bite the wire at both ends and level it out. Then hold the wire with one hand and wind it over the marker slowly with the other hand. Bite off the odds of the wire. Make a small ear at the end. And again cut off the excess. We have to get something like this. Now we should make a small hole in the bottom of the can. It's pretty easy to do with a nail as the metal is very thin. Now we will assemble our handmade stand. Pass the bolt through the ear. Then pass it through the can. Now we place the washer. The bigger the diameter of the washer, the better the coil will stand on its own, as the can will not bend that much. Fix it with a nut. And after some minor preparations, we will test our base. And that's all my dear friends, the handmade soldering iron stand is ready. Looks simple and effective, and the main thing is it's safe, it will not melt, twist or bend. So if you like this idea, don't forget to press like and write in the comments what you would like me to show in the next video. See ya! Did you know? Soldering came of age when tin was discovered as a soldering metal, and it was no less than 400 years ago.